Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have 3 clear paths to get Word and Excel on your laptop. Use Microsoft 365 for a subscription that keeps apps updated continuously. Microsoft 365 Personal costs $9.99 per year and includes Word and Excel. Choose Microsoft 365 Family for $9.99 per year to cover multiple users. Buy Office Home and Student 2021 as a one-time purchase for $49.99 if you prefer perpetual licensing. Use Office.com for free web apps when you need basic editing without local installation. Prepare your laptop before purchasing to avoid installation issues later. Confirm compatibility with Windows 10 or 11 or Mac OS 10, 15 or later, and ensure 4 GB RAM and available free disk space. Buy or subscribe online and sign in at account. Microsoft.com to redeem your product key or subscription. Download from Microsoft Store or visit Office.com/setup to get the offline installer for Windows or Mac OS. Run the installer, follow prompts, then sign in to activate using your Microsoft account and license. Consider extras and maintenance after installation to keep productivity smooth. Microsoft 365 subscriptions include 1 TB OneDrive storage per user for cloud backups and file syncing. Use Office.com web apps when you only need basic editing and internet access. Install LibreOffice as a free offline alternative if you prefer no subscription costs. Keep automatic Office updates enabled and update your operating system regularly for security patches. Store product keys securely and remember retail licenses can transfer, while OEM licenses remain tied to the original device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.